Let's dive into PHP file uploads, focusing on a complete implementation with robust validation. We will explore secure file handling techniques, ensuring proper validation and comprehensive error handling. Also, we'll cover security features such as file type validation, setting size limits, and safeguarding against malicious uploads. Here's the basic HTML form required for uploading files. The form's action attribute points to upload.php, where the file processing logic will reside. The method is set to post, which is used to send data to the server. It also contains an input tag with the type attribute set to file. This creates a file selection control, allowing users to choose a file from their local system. The name attribute uploaded_file is important, as this will be the key used to access the uploaded file's information in the PHP script, using the $_files Superglobal. The required attribute ensures that the user must select a file before submitting the form. Finally, the Submit button triggers the form submission. When a file is uploaded via an HTML form, PHP makes information about that file available through the $_files Superglobal array. This slide outlines some of the key properties available within this array. $_files square bracket name contains the original file name of the uploaded file as it existed on the user's computer. $_files square bracket tmp_name stores the temporary path of the uploaded file on the server. This is the location where the file is stored temporarily before you move it to its final destination. $_files square bracket size specifies the size of the uploaded file in bytes. This can be used to validate that the file size is within acceptable limits. Finally, $_files square bracket type provides the MIME type of the uploaded file, as reported by the browser. This can be used to validate the type of file being uploaded. And $_files square bracket error contains the error code associated with the file upload. If the value is upload_or_OK, it means the upload was successful. Any other value indicates an error occurred during the upload process. Here's a basic PHP script to handle file uploads. The script begins by defining the target directory, which is upload/, where uploaded files will be stored. Next, it constructs the full path to the target file by appending the uploaded file's name to the target directory. The core function used for handling file uploads in PHP is move_uploaded_file. This function takes two arguments: the temporary location of the uploaded file, which is $_files square bracket uploaded_file square bracket tmp_name, and the target file path where the file should be moved. If the file is successfully moved, the script outputs file uploaded successfully ! If the move fails, it outputs upload failed ! File size validation is crucial to prevent users from uploading excessively large files that could exhaust server resources or pose security risks. Let's explore how to implement file size validation in PHP. First, set the maximum file size, which is 5 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 1024, which equals 5 megabytes. This line calculates the maximum allowed file size in bytes. Next, implement the validation. If $_files square bracket uploaded_file square bracket size is greater than $max_size. This condition checks whether the size of the uploaded file exceeds the maximum allowed size. If the file is too large, the script terminates with the die function, displaying the message file too large. Maximum 5 megabytes allowed period. It's essential to set a reasonable maximum file size to balance user convenience with server resource constraints. File type validation is essential to ensure that only allowed file types are uploaded to the server, preventing the upload of potentially malicious or inappropriate files. Here's how to implement file type validation in PHP. Start by defining an array of allowed file extensions: JPG, PNG, GIF, and PDF. Next, extract the file extension from the uploaded file's name using pathinfo function. This function retrieves information about the file path, including its extension. Pathinfo_extension specifies that we want to retrieve the file extension and convert the file extension to lowercase using string-to-lower function to ensure case-insensitive comparison. Finally, validate the file extension. If not in array $file extension $allowed types. This condition checks whether the extracted file extension is present in the array of allowed file types. If the file type is not allowed, the script terminates with the die function, displaying the message file type not allowed period. Effective error handling is essential for providing informative feedback to users and ensuring the stability of the file upload process. PHP provides several error codes that can help identify and handle different upload-related issues. You can determine if an error occurred during the file upload process by checking the error key in the $_files array. If the value is not equal to upload_or_OK, it indicates that an error occurred. The upload_or_OK constant indicates that there were no errors during the upload. The error handling begins with a check. If $_files square bracket uploaded_file square bracket error, not identical to upload_or_OK. This condition checks if there were any errors during the file upload process. If an error is detected, a switch statement is used to handle different error codes. Let's examine the cases. Upload_or_ini_size indicates that the uploaded file exceeds the upload_max_file size directive in PHP. Upload_or_no_file indicates that no file was uploaded. The default case is used to handle any other upload errors that may occur. It's crucial to handle upload errors gracefully to provide users with helpful information and prevent unexpected behavior. Here's a more robust implementation of a PHP file upload script. The script begins by checking for upload errors to ensure that the file was successfully uploaded without any issues. Next, it validates the file size and type to ensure that they meet the specified criteria. If the file size is within the allowed limit and the file type is among the allowed types, the script proceeds to generate a unique file name using the unikit function. This helps prevent naming conflicts and ensures that each uploaded file has a unique identifier. After generating the unique file name, the script constructs the target path where the file will be stored. Finally, move_uploaded file function is used to move the uploaded file from its temporary location to the specified target path. If the file is successfully moved, the script outputs upload successful ! This implementation provides a more secure and reliable file upload process by incorporating comprehensive validation and error handling. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.